The Boy and the Splattered Canvas. Amir was a poor boy with a big dream, to become a painter. Though he had no fancy supplies, he used scraps of cardboard and leftover paints from the local market. One day, his village announced an art contest, and Amir saw his chance to shine. He worked tirelessly on his painting, pouring his heart into every brushstroke. But as he reached for his final color, a stray cat knocked over a jar of paint, splattering his canvas with random splotches. Amir's heart sank. How could he show this mess at the contest? But then, an idea struck him. Instead of starting over, Amir painted around the splatters, turning them into a vibrant field of wildflowers. At the contest, Amir's painting stood out. The judges praised his creativity, and he won first prize. Smiling, Amir realized mistakes weren't the end, they were the beginning of something extraordinary.